guys, and welcome back to this channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. I know it's been a while. I took a few days off. I think I took about 5 days. Yes, 5 days off. I had a hectic week. I had 3 live streamings in a week. I had the ANC media briefing. I had the statue unveiling of King Shaka, and I had the MK event at Chesterville that Saturday. So I was extremely exhausted from those 3 events. Umkhonto weSizwe Party has announced their first anniversary celebration rally at Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban, KZN on the 15th of December 2024. Guys, I am so excited. I can't wait to share everything with you guys from the stadium entrance, interviewing most of you guys, and the front row seat. I can't wait to share each and every corner of the Moses Mabhida Stadium for all of you guys who won't be able to make it. I know some of you guys are in the Northern Cape, Northwest, Western Cape. Not all of us will be able to make it to Moses Mabhida, but you'll get everything on this channel from every corner of the Moses Mabhida Stadium. Umkhonto weSizwe Party will have their media briefing tomorrow, the 20th of November 2024 at the Moses Mabhida Stadium in connection with their first anniversary on the 15th of December. I will be live streaming. Don't worry if SABC is not going to show the press conference. You'll definitely find it on this channel.